is Kelly Thompson Holland, and I'm going to tell you how to brine a turkey. So what you first want to do is get a lot of chicken, turkey, or vegetable broth. I prefer vegetable broth, 16 cups, so that's 4 of those boxes. Bring it to a complete boil and then put 2 cups of kosher salt and 2 cups of brown sugar. And I know that sounds like a lot of salt and sugar, but you're actually going to be rinsing this all off the bird. So what you want to do, bring those ingredients to a boil. You can include candied ginger, you can put cloves, anything you like to add a little bit of a zing to it. I like to just keep it simple. Once it comes down to room temperature, you want to put it in either a brining bag if your turkey can fit into the refrigerator. We have like a 22-pound bird here, so I put it in a cooler with a bunch of ice, and then rest side down. I'm gonna put the rest of the brine on top of it, and then it's cool enough we're going to put it outside on the patio overnight. Tomorrow I'm going to take it out, rinse it off, pat it dry, and all that extra salt and stuff will come off. But the reason you want to do this is because no matter how long you cook your turkey, it will be completely tender and juicy. So we've been doing this over a decade. It works every single time, total foolproof. But what I like to do is roast the bird at 500 degrees for 30 minutes, let it get all nice and brown, then cover the top of it with foil. Have it at 325 for a few hours. Usually about 2.5 to 3 hours when the bird becomes 160 degrees. Then take it out, let it rest with foil all over it for 30 minutes. And then that way, when you take it out and you cut it, all the juices will be inside the bird and they'll be redistributed instead of cutting it and all the juices run everywhere. So I hope this tip helped you, and have a wonderful holiday.
Yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays from our family to yours.
To be in focus.
Okay, why do
Oh my
Holy
gosh.
sugar. Mom, look at this dog.
I'm gonna have an outtakes reel.
Yeah, more like holy sugar.
Like your last name Holland? Holiday.
happy holidays, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays.
She's not in the way.
Okay.
All good.
Oh, do that too. I hope Dan walks in.
Oh, Augie stole his bowl.
Gather
What a jerk.
What?
Are turkeys really supposed to be blue?
Cover it. You can put it outside. It will be totally okay overnight.
it's alive.
Can I help you?
Maybe I'm done, thank you.
Hang a shining star
Remember, this is picking up comments.
from